passion for uncompromised image quality is the simple philosophy behind the Zenmuse X7. Together with the Inspire 2, it marks the next evolution in DJI's aerial imaging technology. The Inspire 2 has become a standard aerial platform used on film sets around the globe. The new Zenmuse X7 transforms it into the world's first fully integrated aerial platform featuring a Super 35mm sensor for video recording. The X7 offers video resolution of up to 6K. The high resolution not only provides incredible detail, but also allows reframing. The RAW and ProRes codecs integrate seamlessly into industry-standard post-production workflows. 14 stops of dynamic range enhance grading flexibility by preserving detail in shadow and highlight areas. The large sensor also enables filming with a cinematic shallow depth of field and low image noise. An ISO range of 100 to 25,600 makes it suitable for use in all lighting situations. The new DJI Cinema color system consists of two parts: an updated D-log curve for extended dynamic range and a D-gamut RGB color space for preserving maximum color information.
When I first took a look at this X7 footage, it really has a color fidelity there. So the dynamic range of colors that it can reproduce, and I can push the grades around pretty hard, and I still don't get noise with this camera.
The superb picture quality of the Zenmuse X7 is an asset on every film set. A new EI mode makes it easy to match with different cameras used for TV series, commercials and documentaries, as well as for feature films. DJI also proudly introduces the world's first aerial lens mount system, the DL mount. The ultra-short flange distance allows a compact lens design. DJI offers 4 prime lenses specifically built for the X7, with focal lengths of 16, 24, 35 and 50mm. Made with carbon fiber, they're lightweight and durable. The advanced optical elements deliver brilliant image quality. The X7 also captures stunning DNG RAW or JPEG still pictures with a resolution of 24 megapixels. With its sturdy build, the X7 was made for professional cinematography and ambitious aerial stills photographers. It replaces large and difficult-to-use aerial solutions even on high-end film productions.
When I think of the X7, I just think of just the endless amount of possibilities that cinematographers and directors can craft their movie with shots that they may not have even thought was possible before.
The Zenmuse X7 is a top-of-the-line professional filmmaking tool, making it possible for creators to focus on capturing their unique vision of the world. A world that now looks better than ever before.